Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel The Knowledge Library. Today we are going to discuss some MCQs on teaching aptitude. The first question is, there will be better communication in a lecture if a teacher, option A, reads from prepared notes, option B, prepares the notes well in advance and uses them as a guide, option C, talks extempore, option D, talks extempore drawing examples from other disciplines. The correct answer is option D, talks extempore drawing examples from other disciplines. The next question is, one can be a good teacher if he or she, option A, has genuine interest in teaching, option B, knows how to control students, option C, knows his or her subjects, option D, has good expression. The correct answer is option C, knows his or her subject. The next question is, the most important skill of teaching is, option A, making students understand what the teacher says, option B, covering the course prescribed in his subject, option C, keeping students relaxed while teaching, option D, taking classes regularly. The correct answer is option A, making students understand what the teacher says. The next question is, effective teaching by and large is a function of, option A, maintaining discipline in the class, option B, teachers' honesty, option C, teachers making students learn and understand, option D, teachers liking for the job of teaching. The correct answer is option C, teachers making students learn and understand. The next question is, success of a profession depends on, option A, policy to please individuals, option B, maintaining relationship with people, option C, maintaining quality of work, option D, loyalty to the superiors. The correct answer is option C, maintaining quality of work. The next question is, main role of teacher is identified with a, option A, leader, option B, planner, option C, manager, option D, motivator. The correct answer is option A, leader. The next question is, prior to teaching, the teacher does, option A, identification of objectives, option B, preparation of teaching lesson plan, option C, know the interest of students, option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. The next question is, effective teaching includes, option A, teacher is active but students may or may not be active, option B, teacher may be active or inactive but students are active, option C, teacher is active and students are active, option D, all of the above situations. The correct answer is option C, teacher is active and students are active. The next question is, basic requirement of teaching efficiency is, option A, mastery on teaching skills, option B, mastery over use of different techniques of teaching, option C, mastery over appropriate use of media and technology in teaching, option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. The next question is, questioning skill in teaching is most useful in, option A, ensuring students' active participation in learning, option B, memorizing the facts by students, option C, making students disciplined, option D, preparing students for examination. The correct answer is option A, ensuring students' active participation in learning. The next question is, a teacher wants to enhance his income, you will advise him or her to, option A, teach in coaching institutes during extra time, Option B, take more remunerative works in school, college. Option C, join contractual assignments other than teaching. Option D, writing books. The correct answer is option D, writing books. The next question is, a teacher shall inculcate social and moral values among students by option A, delivering lectures on values. Option B, showing TV programs. Option C, involving students actively in co-curricular activities. Option D, observing religious festivals. The correct answer is option C, involving students actively in co-curricular activities. The next question is, the most significant approach of evaluation is option A, continuous and comprehensive evaluation. Option B, conducting objective term and examination. Option C, maintaining cumulative records of students. Option D, semester system evaluation. The correct answer is option A, continuous and comprehensive evaluation. Next question is, educational technology is useful because option A, it is the need of the hour. Option B, it is adopted by famous institutions. Option C, it makes teaching effective and efficient. Option D, it attracts students towards teaching and learning activities. The correct answer is option C, it makes teaching effective and efficient. The next question is, a teacher must have mastery over his subject for option A, alertness. Option B, making impact on students. Option C, interest. Option D, making teaching effective. The correct answer is option D, making teaching effective. The next question is, the term kindergarten means option A, children's. Option B, children's home. Option C, children's school. Option D, children's playground. The correct answer is option D, children's playground. The next question is, the Kothari Commission report on education was entitled as option A, education and national development. Option B, learning to be. Option C, diversification of education. Option D, education for all. The correct answer is option A, education and national development. The next question is, the most appropriate meaning of learning is option A, inculcation of knowledge. Option B, modification of behavior. Option C, personal adjustment. Option D, acquisition of skills. The correct answer is option B, modification of behavior. The next question is, teachers' knowledge and students' needs and interests are covered by the subject. Option A, philosophy of education. Option B, psychology of education. Option C, sociology of education. Option D, politics of education. The correct answer is option B, psychology of education. The next question is, work experience in education means option A, education for productivity through rural. Option B, working for a new social order. Option C, experience in industrial and technological world. Option D, education for orientation towards vocational courses. The correct answer is option D, education for orientation towards vocational courses. The next question is, integral education concept is propounded by option A, Sri Aurobindo. Option B, Mahatma Gandhi. Option C, Swami Dayanand. Option D, Swami Vivekanand. The correct answer is option A, Sri Aurobindo. The next question is, Emotional adjustment of students is effective in option A, personality formation, option B, class teaching, option C, discipline, option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. The next question is, Blackboard can be included in which group or category of teaching aids? Option A, audio aids, option B, visual aids, option C, audio-visual aids, option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option B, visual aids. The next question is, which of the following is related with teaching skill? Option A, blackboard writing, option B, solving questions, option C, asking questions, option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. The next question is, students who ask questions in class should be option A, advised to meet the teacher after class, option B, encouraged to participate in the discussion of the class, option C, encouraged to continue asking questions, option D, encouraged to search answers independently. The correct answer is option C, encouraged to continue asking questions. The next question is, at authoritarian level, teaching is option A, teacher-centered, option B, child-centered, option C, headmaster-centered, option D, experience-based. The correct answer is option A, teacher-centered. The next question is, who developed the interaction analysis category system in education for increasing the teacher effectiveness? Option A, Flander, option B, Rayon, option C, Amidon and Simon, option D, Ricard Over. The correct answer is option A, Flander. The next question is, one of the important theory of moral development has been proposed by option A, Lawrence Kohlberg, option B, Erich Fromm, option C, Daniel Goleman, option D, Benjamin Bloom. The correct answer is option A, Lawrence Kohlberg. The next question is, character is developed by option A, willpower, option B, conduct and behavior, option C, morality, option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. The next question is, which of the following is not a level of teaching learning? Option A, differentiation level, option B, memory level, option C, reflective level, option D, understanding level. The correct answer is option A, differentiation level. The next question is, the name of Yashpal Committee report is option A, ICT in teacher education, option B, learning without burden, option C, learning through broadcasting, option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option B, learning without burden. The next question is, the father of psychoanalysis is option A, Erik H. Erikson, option B, Jean Piaget, option C, Jerome S. Brunner, Option D, Sigmund Freud. The correct answer is option D, Sigmund Freud. The next question is, in pedagogy, computer is used. Option A, to motivate the learner. Option B, to provide feedback. Option C, to interact with the learner. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. The next question is, the concept of school complex was first executed in option A, Uttar Pradesh. Option B, Madhya Pradesh. Option C, Bihar. Option D, Rajasthan. The correct answer is option D, Rajasthan. The next question is, the proponent of the cognitive theory of teaching is option A, N.L. Jain. Option B, Shiv Kumar Mitra. Option C, B.F. Skinner. Option D, M.C. Donald. The correct answer is option A, N.L. Jain. The next question is, the determinant of teaching skill training is option A, components. Option B, pupil teacher. Option C, supervisor. Option D, headmaster. The correct answer is option A, components. The next question is, which of the following is an approach to educational planning? Option A, manpower approach. Option B, social demand approach. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option C, both A and B. The next question is, institutional planning should be based on option A, aim and needs. Option B, timetable. Option C, administration. Option D, need. The correct answer is option A, aim and needs. The next question is, teacher behavior ought to be option A, administrative. Option B, instructive. Option C, idealistic. Option D, directive. The correct answer is option C, idealistic. The next question is, information highway or net is option A, computer. Option B, internet. Option C, intranet. Option D, keyboard. The correct answer is option B, internet. The next question is, the main task of educational computer is option A, scoring the answers. Option B, preserve the information. Option C, analysis of data. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. The next question is, in which of the following instructional procedure is the main component? Option A, synaptic teaching model. Option B, basic teaching model. Option C, inductive model. Option D, social stimulation. The correct answer is option B, basic teaching model. The next question is, the computer based teaching model has been developed by option A, Gilbert. Option B, Stollery and Davis. Option C. Robert Gagne. Option D. Mechner. The correct answer is option B. Stollery and Davis. The next question is, which of the following expectations students have from group learning? Option A, to get appreciation from the group. Option B, to distribute the work equally. Option C, to ignore individual viewpoint. Option D, to attract isolated student towards the group. The correct answer is option D, to attract isolated student towards the group. The next question is, the correct meaning of CAI is option A, characteristics of assistant instructor. Option B, computer assisted instruction. Option C, community assisted instruction. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option B, computer assisted instruction. The next question is, man is born free but everywhere he is in chains. The statement was been given by option A, Abraham Maslow. Option B, Jean-Jacques Rousseau. Option C, John Dewey. Option D, V.I.I. Kilpatrick. The correct answer is option B, Jean-Jacques Rousseau. The next question is, written communication strategy includes option A, algorithms. Option B, decision table. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option C, both A and B. The next question is, main responsibility of school management lies on option A, principal. Option B, teachers. Option C, manager. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option A, principal. The next question is, major objective of school discipline is to ensure safety of staff and students. Option B, to create an environment conducive for teaching. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option C, both A and B. The next question is, practical knowledge of language is learnt at option A, school. Option B, language laboratory. Option C, language teaching. Option D, language instruction. The correct answer is option B, language laboratory. The next question is, which one of the following is not a principle of a good timetable? Option A, flexibility. Option B, ruthless master. Option C, variety. Option D, coordination of efforts. The correct answer is option B, ruthless master. The next question is, the reason of absence and escape from school is option A, lack of interest in syllabus. Option B, poor method of teaching. Option C, ineffective teacher. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Next question is, factor of personality is option A, ductless glands. Option B, family background. Option C, school. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. The next question is, Which of the following aspect is discussed in a teacher's diary? Option A, class timetable. Option B, teaching content. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option C, both A and B.